Hello, welcome back to Let's Play Freedom Force, where we are teaming up with what I thought was a really cool character, and then he got enraged in combat and batted Sea Urchin all the way the Frel across the map. She's been and knocked her unconscious. She wasn't unconscious until she landed, sadly. Are you a guy with bombs? You're a guy with a bat.
What are you doing there?
You're a gangster. You have
I'll teach you some respect. For justice! For freedom! I don't feel so good. And you'll take that! I'll say hello to Mr. Bat. Was that enough? For freedom! You want another? For Patriot City! I'll perforate
I'm just sort of messing around because I don't expect to be pinstriped.
For liberty!
You're not gonna enjoy this! Get out of here!
Consider this.
Stand back, villain!
Nice.
Stand back! Stoop! Heroes! For Patriot! Stoop! Heroes!
Okay. Where is...
I'll be here all week.
For justice! Don't you feel so good? Get out of here! Stand back, villain! I'll perforate you! Stand back, villain! Oh, that's smart! Ready to serve. No! Mustn't give!
Seriously.
Time to take your medicine! Get out of here! You're not gonna enjoy that, you like lead! Here's a little present from Man of War! Here's a little present from Man of War! Are you at home? Get out of here! You want another? That's enough. How'd you like lead? You type one. Yeah. How'd you like lead? You want another? That's enough. You types never one.
This is missing like crazy.
Time for some pain. Get out of here. There's a little present from Man of War.
Irritating in places.
You types never learn! I'll fill you with holes! You're not gonna enjoy this! I'm hit! Oh.
Okay. Where is Law and Order? I'm assuming they got themselves knocked out somewhere.
I bet this is going to hurt! You want another? Or was that enough?
Hey, look at the bonus I
types
can't
never
do.
learn! Here's a little present from Man of War. You want another? Or was that enough? I bet this is going to hurt. Here's a little present from Man of War. There they are. I bet this is going to hurt. You're not going to enjoy this. There's a little present from Man of War. I bet this is going to hurt. You're not gonna enjoy this. You types never learn. I have been medicine. I bet this is going to hurt. There's a little present from Man of War. Time to take your medicine.
Well, Pinstripe, we meet again. You've got some explaining to do. Downtown.
You've been making a mess of my establishment, and Pinstripe don't take that from no one. You punks are going down.
The tide of battle has favored Freedom Force this day. But what is this? An interloper has decided to tip the scales against our heroes? Suddenly, shimmering in the air, a strange portal opens up, and through it steps a most unusual figure.
Temporal distortion detected. Current location, United States, circa 1962.
What the?
Who invited the rust bucket?
Assessing situation. Human targets acquired. Extermination program initiated.
He thinks we're the bad guys. Brace yourselves, people. We don't know what he's capable of.
No way!
Time for a beat. Prepare for some
Sleep with the fishes.
Time to take your
Don't
medicine!
mess with the best.
Time to take your medicine!
I'll teach you some respect. I'm not gonna handle this.
How about,
Engage battle sequence. Engage battle sequence.
physical damage?
Engage battle sequence.
Joy. Wow. We destroyed an extra warehouse, too. Failed. Oh, I forgot to set my timer to moving. I'm going to assume that was about 10 minutes and put it to 14.
Well, time to get the boys to start unloading our wares.
I can't wait to see their faces when they see this haul.
Gee whiz! I landed smack dab in Pinstripe's hideout. Liberty
Yes,
lad to Freedom
yes,
Force.
you did.
Liberty lad to Freedom Force.
Minuteman here. What is it, Nick?
I'm right in the middle of Pinstripe's lair. Follow my signal in.
Nick, what do you think you're doing? You disobeyed a direct order. But well done, nonetheless. Don't move. The rest of the team is on its way.
Hey, I heard something. Who's that up there?
Cripes! Now I'm in for it.
Hold fast, brave little chum. We'll take care of this.
Uh-oh! It's more of those super goons!
That's right, cowards. It's time to feel the might of order.
And the right of law.
Ah!
Gee whiz! Are you two people or one?
We are one but two, young man. But you have nothing to fear from us.
Liberty Lad, Mentor has re-established the psychic link, so we need not worry about such things again.
I'm alright. Law and order helped me out of a tight spot.
Well, then we owe you our thanks.
Don't mention it. Seems to us we've got a common goal. Pinstripe awaits, yet he's far too cowardly to come out and fight.
All right, son, you've earned the right to join the team, but I'll be keeping an eye on you.
I suspect that we can bait him into a confrontation by destroying these warehouses full of stolen goods and illicit arms.
Well, let's get moving. If that's what it takes to raise him, by golly, we'll show him.
And the people that own the stolen goods? Okay. Bubble Swarm.
Time for some pain. Point me towards the bad guy. You want another?
Oh dear.
By the forces of right!
Point me at the bad guys.
I'll fill you with holes.
You take that one. You take that one. You zap that one. Also,
You punched out of the way! For Patriot City!
oh, acid burn.
Liberty Lab, ready.
Right!
Not bad.
There's guys with guns over there.
Yeah? What?
Come down here real quick.
To victory!
Take that!
I
You
don't
want
like
another?
the
Or was that enough?
How
Here's a
about
little
this?
present from Man of War. I'm hit! Oh. You want another? That's enough!
Don't
You
mess
take
with the engine.
wow. Stupid heroes!
Okay, let's try to keep everybody moving.
Here you
Right
go,
makes
creepy.
might.
And let's use the National Guard. And the Bubble Swarm.
Looks like
I don't like
liberty.
the look of you.
For liberty!
I think she just Bubble Swarmed the thing there.
Freedom!
How
Right
about
makes
that,
might.
jerk face? How about
Stand
this?
back, villain!
Forces of right!
Don't mess with the
Ow.
Looks like I gotta hammer some sense in it.
Forget about it!
Looks like I gotta hammer.
Here comes Patriot City!
There for some pounding.
For liberty!
Stand back, villain!
There we go. I sent the two
There's a little
For
present
liberty!
from Man of War!
By the forces of right!
That's interesting.
By the forces of right!
Yeah? What?
Oh. There is a prestige thing we're going to have to get. Hopefully before Law knocks it down and makes it unreachable.
I'll be here
How
all
about
week!
that, jerk
Take
face?
that!
Not bad for a girl.
I'll be here all
Here
week!
you go, creepy.
How do you like them apples?
How about this?
By the
I'll be
forces
here
of
all
right!
week!
Come on.
Looks like a
Here you go, creepy.
Do something.
For freedom! Stand back, villain! For Patriot City!
How do
To
you like them?
victory!
Come on.
I'll be
For
here all
Patriot
week!
City! You want another?
Take that!
That's two. Oh my goodness, there's a help thing that we don't yet need.
Point me at the bad guys.
Yes, please throw
Here
us
comes
back.
trouble! I'll be here all
It's
week!
a pain! You don't belong here! Time for some pain!
Hurry up with those plates, boys! We gotta get those cars on the streets tomorrow or the boss will...
Here you go,
For
creep.
liberty!
I like the way he trails off like
I don't like the
Nice.
I'll be
Not
here
bad
all
for
week!
a girl.
Time for some clobbering.
For
Right.
liberty!
Nice. See how you like Smash you good.
For
Smash
liberty.
you good.
Point me at the bad guys.
I'm gonna point you at help again. No, maybe not.
I bet. To victory!
For liberty!
Batter up. Stoop.
I don't like them!
Nice. Yeah. Or
You want Not enough!
stoop. Here.
The rice makes might!
Stoop. Here.
Good grief.
Ready! Time for some pain!
See how you like
perforate
this.
Are you really going to do that?
ya. For justice! Oh! How'd you like lead? How about a lead sandwich?
What the hell?
At attention!
I'll be here
I'll
all week!
perforate ya. You got me! To victory! How about a lead?
Not
This is
bad
what you heard. I'm hit! Oh. I'll perforate you for Patriot City!
Yeah? What?
Here.
Get out! Right makes might!
For liberty!
For justice! Get out! Don't feel so good! Oh.
Hey. Pinstripe warehouse. That's just a warehouse, so we don't want to knock that down.
I can hear you right and plain.
Good.
You're not gonna enjoy this!
Sea Urchin here.
I'll
How
fill you at
about
home!
this?
That's really slow.
How'd you like
comes
justice? I'll fill you with some pain!
Oh joy.
Yeah?
There's another one.
Now what is it?
Now?
I'll perforate you!
Don't mess with the urchin.
Stand back!
I'll be here all week!
Oh good. He's acid burn. Oh bad. You
Sea Urchin
are
here.
going to go get that help. For the simple reason you're one of the two people I have.
Don't feel so good!
Oh, poor you. You're one of the two people I have that can do damage to Pinstripe. Okay. I'm gonna save right here. Because this isn't the best, but it's better than before. Okay, my timer's gonna go off pretty soon.
I can hear you right and plain.
Punish.
Can I help you?
I bet this is going to hurt!
Point me at the bad guys.
For liberty!
Anyone call for an urchin?
Oh.
Ready to
Don't
serve.
mess with the
Time to
urchin.
take your medicine.
Not bad for a girl.
Time to take your medicine.
Not bad for a girl.
For liberty!
I don't like the look of
Take
it.
that!
Not bad for a girl.
You're not gonna enjoy this. Double off the port bow.
Don't mess with the urchin.
Here they come.
Itching for a tussle.
How do you
How
like
about
them?
this?
I'll be here all week.
At attention.
I think you can stand to do that.
I'll be here all week.
I can hear you right in place.
Take that!
Victory!
How about a
For
bath,
liberty!
jerkface?
For freedom!
Why are you doing on top
Sucker!
of
Now what is it?
come break things?
Who needs
Take
a kick in
that.
the teeth?
I'll be here all week.
How about this?
Liberty Lad, ready.
Here. I'll perforate you. Jesus. Well, look who's here.
Give up.
Oh! I'm hit! I'm hit! Oh.
Okay. So, pause. And switch to a new video. See you in a moment.